Toyota Camry LE. It's 2001 with the 2.2 liter. We're gonna replace the seal, the upper seal, the cam seal, the front cam seal. It's leaking lots of oil, and I'm gonna have to remove the timing belt to remove that seal. So that is what we have to do. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all these parts in front of it so I can remove the timing belt. All right. We disconnect the battery already, so we don't have problems.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Side. So right here it looks like this is not tight. It's loose. It's so rusty right here. Looks like it's moving. That's what happened. Let's remove this bracket. It's on the way. Okay, better view now. Need to remove this other bracket. It goes all the way here. This one has two nuts, two bolts right here and two down here. This one is gonna be a little bit difficult right here. Oh, well, we don't have to remove it. See, it comes out. It's just taking this too. I thought it was I need to remove this one and it was attached to it, but it's not, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna have to disconnect this reservoir so I can move this one out of the way and can have a little bit of more room right here. But I need to catch the fluid. It's too hard, the hose, so maybe I can put some pliers or something. Maybe this one. I'm gonna keep the, I got a pan under to catch the fluid.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
Okay.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna.
Let's remove it from here. Okay, let's pull it out. hard. Right there. Let's move this one to the back. Maybe I'm gonna have to disconnect the whole reservoir because there's no way I can pass the hose through here. Yeah, passes through. Right there. I need to see the bolts here. There's one right here. Another one on the other side. One on this side and the other one on the other side. It's gonna be a little bit difficult right here because there's no room. Maybe I need to lift the engine. I have to use the short sockets. Okay, it's 14. We need our rubber hands right here. Socket gets stuck in there.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. It's on the car. Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Problem's gonna be when the installation. That's where the problem will be. how the oil is coming out here because the seal in there. Okay, before we remove the belt, we need to set the engine on time. The belt is okay and the engine is running fine, so I'm gonna put it on the timing mark so I can remove the belt, so when I need to install the belt back, I don't have to move the cam or the crank. Okay, we need to go down there to remove the crank pulley, but let me remove this bolt right here. Right there. I need to remove the bolts that holds the power steering. Let's go to down here to remove the harmonic balancer. This is the bolt that adjusts the belt, the power steering belt. So we need to get that loose, and the one on the top right here. So we need to loosen. Okay. See, the one on top it's loose. Okay, let's remove this one. Full of oil, sucked on oil.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, throttle. It's on the car.
So
Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician,
silicone or something.
Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna.
Okay, let's pull. Okay, let's pull it out. See if this one can. Coming out. Alright, got it out. Now let's remove these two bolts. This one. Okay. Let's take this cover off. Alright. This seal is leaking too. We're gonna replace both of them. Alright. Okay, we have the timing diagram here. This pulley doesn't matter because it doesn't have marks. The only one we need to align is the crank and the camshaft, and it goes to the 12 o'clock. See the mark right here on the cam sprocket, and this one right here. It doesn't matter the other ones. This is the tensioner, the water pump, and this is the other idler. So it doesn't matter, only this one, and both of them goes to 12 o'clock. Okay, so let's here's the mark right here. So let's turn the engine, not the engine but the crank, to put the number 1 cylinder on top. Let's remove the spark plug right here, and let's put this cylinder on top, that center, and here's the mark right here. This mark needs to be right here on top, and the other one on top too. So let's turn it. Let's turn the engine. We need to remove the spark plug so we can put something that indicate that the cylinder is on top, that center. Okay, let's remove the spark plug. Okay. Now we need to put a long screwdriver or something just to make sure that the cylinder is on top. See? Let's turn it. Let's turn the crank. Okay, see how it goes down. See, now it goes up. Right there, right there, right there. See, right there it's top, dead center. Right there. Little bit. Right there.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights reminds you to
Right there it's top, dead center.
get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow.
We have this mark right here,
Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
and we should have the other one
It's on the car. Gabriel Auto
right there.
Technician.
Let's see.
Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's
Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413
We got the mark.
Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Here's the dot right there. It's right there on top. We're gonna have something to mark. Where is it? Right here. Make a mark right here, because it doesn't have any mark right here. And down there, I don't know if you can see that. There's no way you can see, but we have the mark right there. See that form? See, that's the mark that match with it matched with the key. See, right there's the key. The keyhole, well, it matches right there. See, that's where it goes. The mark goes. This one. See how this one? It's in between these two, or this one is right here. See, right here a little bit. See. So that's the mark for the crank. And this one, it's crazy, it doesn't have any mark. See? So now let's remove the timing belt. So let's put a mark right here so we can use it as a guide. And then we're gonna remove the timing belt. Okay, let's make a mark right here. Right there. So we don't have, there's no way we can see the mark right here inside. See, but this one supposed to be at, well, the engine is like that, it's slanted, so there's no way we can see at 12 o'clock exactly. It's like that. See, it's like that. It's not exactly like this. So it's at 12 o'clock, but the engine, because the engine is moved to the side, we need to follow that that angle. Okay, so I made this mark just to guide me, and then I'm gonna remove this sprocket, because this is the seal I'm gonna change in the crank, because right here is where it's leaking. See, so let's do it. Okay. Let's remove our belt. Right there. You need to push this one down, or we can remove the spring already.
Gabriel Auto Technician.
Okay, let's remove the spring.
Be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and
There.
save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints.
Over here.
It's on the car.
Now we
Gabriel
can
Auto
remove
Fix It
these.
or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
Let's remove the
413
belt
Highway
already.
100 in Laguna Heights.
Right there. We're trying not to move this one, neither the other one. Down there, the crank, cam and crank, don't move it. Okay? Because if you move it, you need to align it again. Let's remove this one. It's making a noise. Now remove the bottom one. Okay. Let's remove the idler. We're gonna replace all these parts. See, but they come in the kit. See, check the position. This one, you can put it like that or like that, doesn't matter, but sometimes one side it's deeper than the other one, so make sure how you take it out. Now I'm gonna remove this water pump. Need to catch the coolant. Let's go down there. Before we remove the pump, I'm gonna remove the seal on the bottom. Okay, my camera was off. I was trying to remove this sprocket, but it's got a lip right here. It creates a lip. See? I don't know why. It's got a lip right here. It looks like somebody turned it with the pliers right here or something. See? I'm gonna sand it. It's got a lip right here. Not a lip, but it's got like, it looks like somebody turned it with the pliers. You're not supposed to turn right here with the pliers. Use the bolt. Yep, it's coming out.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types
Right
of
there.
maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck, air
Don't
conditioning,
use
heating,
pliers to
tune-ups,
turn
brakes,
the
transmission,
crank
cooling systems, fan
from
belts,
here.
ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace
gonna
it.
damage
Featuring
your
computerized diagnostics.
crank, and then
Gabriel
you're gonna
Auto
have
Technician, 413
trouble
Highway
to
100, Laguna
to
Heights. That's
install
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna.
the pulley. Okay, now let's remove this seal. Let's pull it out. We can use something like this. Okay. Right there. See, it's real hard right here. Here's the part where it seals. It's got a spring inside, but it's real hard. It's supposed to be soft right here. See, it's real hard. It's got the spring, so this is no good anymore. So now let's clean right here. Feels good. Okay. Now let's put the seal. I'm gonna put some oil around the shaft, around the crank. Don't put any oil right here on the housing. See, right here, carefully. Don't drop. It's just a little bit. Okay. All right. We got the seal here. This is the part number. That's the crank, front crank seal. On the seal, we're gonna put oil around inside here. Not too much, just to slide it good. Not around here, don't put anything, nothing. Not even silicone, nothing. Okay, now let's push it in. Turn it and push it in right there. See, now let's push it all the way in there. Okay, now let's push it with a pipe or something. Okay, let's push it in with this pipe. Try to push it on the edge. Okay, right there. Make sure it's flush.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you
Right
to be
in
ready
here.
for hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of
Flush
maintenance
with
repairs
the-
for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball
With the
joints.
base.
It's on the car. Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized
See?
diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413
Okay.
Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
So now let's put
413
the
Highway
sprocket
100
back on
in
its
Laguna
place. Okay. Right there. All the way in. Let's put the key in. We don't want to forget this key. And there. All the way in. All the way in. Got it. Now let's go up there. We didn't move the crank. It's still in the mark right here. Now let's remove this bolt. We need to hold the sprocket right here. Don't turn it, but because you don't know if this engine needs an interference, and you can bend the valves. So you need to hold it so you can get this one loose. Okay, let's get the tool to hold it. And I made this special tool to hold parts like this. Okay, let's hold it. Need more power. It's 14. Let's do it. Right there. Got it loose. Try not to move this one too much. It moves a little bit, but that's all right. Okay, let's remove it. And we need to remove that seal because that seal is leaking. See? Right there. See, right here it was leaking. This seal. See? So now let's remove the seal. Okay. It's toasted. See? It's real hard. It doesn't have any. See, it's cracking. real hard. Okay, now let's wash right here. I'm gonna have to use some cleaner. Okay. Let's clean the surface.
Gabriel Auto Technician
Okay.
in Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and
It's
save
clean.
money tomorrow. All types of maintenance
Now,
repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning,
let's put
heating,
the
tune-ups, brakes,
the seal
transmission, cooling systems, bands up,
place.
ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay, I'm pushing the seal in. Okay, I'm using this socket. Push it in. Right there. Got it in. Okay, got the seal in. Right there. Now let's put the sprocket back on its place where it belongs. Right. Now let's get this one tight. We need to check what's the torque of this bolt. We need to torque it to the specification, which is 40 foot-pounds. This one it's 15. Okay, so let's go down 10. 40 right there. Now let's get it tight. Let's put our special tool. And let's keep this one tight. Right there. Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative
We finished
maintenance
there.
and save money tomorrow. All types of
We got this one on the mark.
air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel
Okay.
Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.